Hi guys, to make this soup you're going to need 2 knobs of butter and a little bit of olive oil. You need to put this into the oven at 180 degrees for around about 5 minutes. Now to get your croutons ready, I like to cut the edges off the bread. You can leave them on if you wish. Cut them into long fingers and then turn them around, and then you can cut them into dice. Now it's time to remove the hot butter from the oven. I'm going to sprinkle the croutons into the butter, give them a mix around and make sure they're well incorporated. I'm sprinkling some lovely dry chives and some garlic, some granulated garlic. Now you want to toast these until they're golden brown. Now let's go over the ingredients for the soup. Today I'm using 500 grams of sliced mushrooms, half a white onion, 2 knobs of butter, or 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using porcini mushroom powder. If you can't get this, just add a bit of beef stock. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. I'm using 2 cloves of garlic, 1 whole potato diced. I'm finishing it off with a little bit of cream, about 1/4 cup, depending on how much you like, and 500 mils of vegetable stock. Add your butter into the saucepan and start to melt it. Then toss in your onions, potato and garlic. I'm adding the porcini mushroom powder now, about 1/2 teaspoon. Give this a good mix and let it cook through till the onions are nice and soft. Then we're going to toss in the mushrooms, and now it's time to add the vegetable stock. Give it a bit of a taste, and we want to pop a lid on and cook this until the potatoes are soft. Now it's time to blend the soup. Let it cool down slightly before you start pouring it into your blender. All you need to do now is pour it back into the pot, bring it up to a gentle simmer, finish it off with some cream, and there you have it. This is a gorgeous soup if you like mushrooms. I hope you enjoyed my recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Check me out on Facebook and Twitter. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, have yourselves a fantastic week. Take care.